नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, माझ्या वसंत डी मोरे या यूट्यूब चॅनेलमध्ये आपले मनपूर्वक स्वागत करतो. डिअर स्टुडंट, टुडे वी विल सी द आन्सर शीट सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी पार्ट फर्स्ट स्टँडर्ड 10th. Firstly, read the notes and follow instruction to write your answer sheet carefully. Question number first. A. Write the correct alternative. Marks 5. First, the SI unit of heat is ... Correct answer B. Joule, Joule. Second, we can see the sun even when it is a little below the horizon because of ... Correct answer B. Refraction of light is correct. 3. ... is the functional group of carboxyl acid. Correct answer A. COOH. Fourth, in simple microscope, ... lens is used. Correct answer D. Convex. Fifth, in ... process, a layer of molten tin is deposited on metals. Correct answer B. Tinning. Question number 1B. Answer the following. Marks 5. 1. Write the name of the atom having the smallest size. The helium atom having the smallest size. Second, write the molecular formula of carbon dioxide. Molecular formula of carbon dioxide is CaCO3. Third, write the use of calorimeter. The use of calorimeter, the specific heat of an object can be measured using mixing method. For this calorimeter. 4. Identify the hydrocarbon from the given electron dot structure. The hydrocarbon name is ethane. Formula C2H6 is correct. Fifth, match the columns. Column A, refractive index of water. Answer in column B, C 1.33 is correct. Question number 2A. Give scientific reasons any two. Marks 4. First, when the gas formed on heating limestone is passed through freshly prepared lime water, the lime water turns milky. See answer. Answer. When limestone is heated, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide are formed. This carbon dioxide gas is passed through freshly prepared lime water. Insoluble calcium carbonate and water are formed. In this reaction, lime water turns milky. Reaction CaOH2 plus CO2 gives CaCO3 calcium carbonate plus H2O water. Second, tungsten metal is used to make a solenoid type coil in an electric bulb. See answer. The intensity of light emitted by the filament of a bulb depends on the temperature of the filament. It increases with the temperature. The melting point of the material used to make the filament of a bulb should be very high so that the filament can be heated to a high temperature by passing a current through it without melting it. This enables use to obtain more light. The melting point of tungsten is very high. Hence, tungsten is used to make a solenoid types coil filaments in an electric bulb. Third, on exposure to air, silver articles turns blackish after some time. See answer. Answer. On exposure to air, silver vessels turns blackish after some time. This is because of the layer of silver sulfide Ag2S formed by the reaction of silver with hydrogen sulfide in air. B. Answer the following any three. Mark 6. 1. State Dobereiner's law of triad. Give one example of it. Second, identify the figure and explain its use. Answer. Dobereiner made groups of three elements each having similar chemical properties and called them triads. He arranged the three elements in a triad in an increasing order of atomic mass and showed that the atomic mass of the middle element was approximately equal to the mean of the atomic masses of the other two elements. Example, lithium Li, sodium Na, potassium K form Dobereiner's triad. Second, identify the figure and explain its use. The figure is electric generator AC. Electric generator AC's uses: first, heater; second, refrigerator; third, electric iron; fourth, washing machine; fifth, electric mixer; sixth, food processor; seventh, air conditioner; eighth, electric fans. And this diagram, an alternating current is used in an electric heater and refrigerator. Write any two uses. Answer. A rocket used to carry an artificial satellite to a desired height above the Earth's surface and then project it with a proper velocity so that the satellite orbits the Earth in the desired orbit is called as a launch vehicle. Example, Indian satellite launch vehicles: PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, and second, GSLV, Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicles. Fourth, what is free fall? When is it possible? Answer. Whenever an object moves under the influence of the force of gravity alone, it is said to be falling freely. When a body falls in air, there are three forces acting on the body. The gravitational force due to the earth acting downwards. Second, the force of buoyancy upthrust due to air acting upward. Third, the force due to friction with air called air resistant acting upward. Fifth, the focal length of a convex lens is 20 centimeter. What is its power? See answer following. In example given, focal length f is equal to 20 centimeter is equal to 0.2 meter. Power of the lens P is equal to question marks. Formula P is equal to 1 upon f meter is equal to 1.1 upon 0.2 is equal to 5D. The power of the lens is 5D. Question number 3. Answer the following any 5. Marks 15. First, select the appropriate options and complete the following paragraph. In bracket option metals, non-metals, metalloids, 4, 7, S block, P block, D block and F block. C. Answer the red ink. On the basis of electronic configuration, elements in the modern periodic table are classified into 4 blocks. Group first and second element are including in S block, and all these elements are metals except hydrogen. Group 13 to 18 elements are including in P block. This block contains metals, non-metals and metalloids. Group 3 to 12 elements are including in D block, and all the elements are metals. Elements shown at the bottom of the periodic table IC lanthanoid and actinoids constitute F block, and all these elements are metals. Second, A. What are the factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction? B. Explain any one factor. C. Answer follow. A. Answer. The factors which affect the rate of a reaction are 1. Nature of the reactants. Second, size of the particles of the reactants. Third, concentration of the reactants. Fourth, temperature of the reaction. Fifth, catalyst. B. Answer. 1. When the reactants combines with the 2 or more other reactants, then the rate of a chemical reaction depends on the nature of the reactants. Second, both Al and Zn reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. H2 gas is liberated and water soluble salts of these metals are formed. However, aluminum metals reacts faster with dilute hydrochloric acid as compared to zinc metal. Third, aluminum is a more reactive than Zn. Therefore, the rate of reaction of aluminum with the hydrochloric acid is higher than that of Zn, zinc. Hence, the nature of the reactant affected the rate of a reaction given below. 2Al plus 3HCl dilute fast reaction gives 2AlCl3 plus 3H2 gas. Zn plus 2HCl slow reaction ZnCl2 plus H2 gas. 3. Observe the following graph and answer the following questions. See and observe diagram of graph. A. What does the graph represent? Question mark. The graph of temperature versus time represented. B. What does the line AB present? Answer. Line AB represent conversion of ice into water at constant temperature. C. What does the line BC represent? Question mark. Answer. The line BC in the graph represent rise in temperature of water from 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius. Complete the following table by observing the given figures. In figures, write figures and downward points. A. Name of the defect: myopia, nearsightedness, hypermetropia, farsightedness. B. Position of the image: in front of the retina instead of on retina, behind the retina instead of on the retina. C. Lens used to correct the defect: a concave lens of proper focal length, a convex lens of proper focal length. In red ink, correct answer. Fifth, write any three general properties of ionic compounds. Answer. General properties of ionic compounds. 1. Ionic compounds are crystalline, solid, have a definite shape, and hard due to strong electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions. Second, they are generally brittle. When pressure is applied, they breaks into pieces. 3. They have high melting and boiling points. Fourth, they are soluble in water and insoluble in solvents such as kerosene and petrol. Fifth, they conduct electricity in the molten state and also in an aqueous solution. 6. Observe the figure and answer the questions. A. State Newton's universal law of gravitation. Answer. Newton's universal law of gravitation. Every object in the universe attract every other object with a definite force. This force is directly proportional to the product of the masses of the two objects and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. B. If the distance between the two bodies is tripled, how will the gravitational force between them change? Answer. 1/9. C. What will happen to gravitational force if mass of one of the object is doubled? Answer. Double gravitational force. Question number 3, 7th. The orbit of a satellite is exactly 35,780 km above the Earth's surface and its tangential velocity is 3.08 km/second. How much time the satellite will take to complete the revolution around the earth? Radius of earth given 6400 kilometer. Answer. Given height of the satellite above the earth's surface is equal to 35,780 kilometer. Velocity of the satellite is equal to 3.08 kilometer per second. Solution. Suppose the satellite takes t second to complete one revolution around the earth. The distance traveled during this one revolution is equal to the circumference of the circular orbit. If r is the radius of the orbit, the satellite will travel a distance 2 pi r during one revolution. Thus, the time required for one complete revolution can be obtained as follows. Phi is equal to distance upon time is equal to circumference upon time is equal to 2 pi r upon t. T is equal to 2 pi r upon phi is equal to 2 pi bracket r plus h bracket complete upon phi is equal to 2 into 3.14 into in bracket 6400 plus 35,780 bracket complete upon 3.08 is equal to 86,003.38 second. T is equal to 23.89 hours is equal to 23 hours 44 minutes. Hence, since the velocity is taken in the unit of kilometers, the radius is also taken in unit of a kilometer. Question number 3, sub question 8. What is the solenoid? Draw a neat diagram and name its various components. Answer. Fan, a copper wire with a resistive coating, is wound in a chain of loops like a spring. It is called a solenoid. See a diagram. Figure. Magnetic lines of force magnetic field lines due to a current carrying solenoid. B. Battery. K. Plug key. I. Current. N. North pole. S. South pole. Question number 4. Answer the following question. Any one marks 5. 1. Observe the given diagram and answer the questions. A. Name the process shown in the figure. Dispersion of light. B. Name the color that divides the most. Violet color divides the most. C. Name the color that divides the least. Red color divides the least. D. Name any one phenomenon is the nature which is based on the above process. Rainbow is a beautiful natural phenomenon. E. Define spectrum. A pattern of various colors is observed on the screen. This pattern is called the spectrum, or a band of colored components of light beam is called a spectrum. Second, observe the diagram given below and answer the questions. See the diagram and answer. Following. Chemical equation 2CH3COOH aqueous plus Na2CO3 aqueous gives CH3COONA sodium ethanoate aqueous plus H2O liquid plus CO2 gas. A. Name the reactants in the reaction. Sodium carbonate and acetic acid is reactants in this reaction. B. Which gas comes out as effervescence in the bigger tube? Carbon dioxide comes out as effervescence in the bigger tube. C. What is the color change in the lime water? The lime water turns milky. D. In the above experiment, instead of sodium carbonate, chemical can be used to get some products. Sodium bicarbonate, CH3COOH plus NaHCO3, CHCOONA plus sodium ethanide plus H2O plus CO2. E. Write the use of acetic acid. Uses of acetic acid. 1. As a coagulant for latex in rubber industries. Second, in the manufacture of plastic, polyvinyl acetate, rayon, cellulose acetate and silk. Third, in medicine as a local irritant. Fourth, as a solvent in the laboratory for carrying out reaction. Fifth, in the manufacture of many organic compounds like acetone, acetates and esters. 6. As preservative for many edible material like pickles. Please like my video and subscribe my video. Thank you.